Hey friends, welcome back to Well Creators. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe. Our channel is Your Well Creators on YouTube. Subscribe, learn from the videos which we are posting going forward, and do us know if you have any doubts or any concerns regarding the stocks. Friends, let's begin with the today's topic. I am going to share two of the stocks which can give decent returns in the coming days. I expect the auto sector to perform well in maybe 15 to 20 days or till Diwali. So let's see which stocks I have listed today. So the stock name is Tata Motors. Friends, this is one of the best stocks into the auto sector as of now. You can see this is the daily chart of the Tata Motors. Let's see how the chart is showing us, or what all things we can see in the chart. Friends, you can see Tata Motors has made lot of dips over here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's take this as a base. Okay, friends, so I will take this as a base over here. Okay, okay, this is as the base of this Tata Motors. It has been consolidating in this range for quite long time, friends. Now I'll tell you the range is between 290 to, let's say, 275. You can consider this is the base or the support level of the Tata Motors. And what would be the resistance? You can see here, uh, Tata Motors has been in this range for quite long time. Okay, friends. So I would consider this as a resistance zone, but the major resistance zone will be the 360 levels. You can say 360 levels. It has a huge fall during last when it touched almost around 360 levels. Yeah, the high was 358.20. After that, stock has been correcting too much, but now you can see it has again came at that support level and trying to move upwards. So friends, it has been trading in this range only, and now you can see there's a good breakout, and we can see there's a lot of jump in auto sector also nowadays. Diwali is also coming nearby. So I expect Tata Motors to perform well once this level is crossed. I think 337 levels, or you can say 335 levels, then we can see a good rise uh, till I think 358 or 356 levels. These are the major levels Tata Motors need to cross. Once it crosses this level, we would easily see to 370 to 380 levels again. So friends, consider this as a support level. Try to buy on dips over here, and you can either sell some of your quantities over here at 340 or 335 levels, and rest of the quantities you can move ahead as per your targets. But I think these are the two major things you should look into the Tata Motors while investing, or you are taking a short term trade. Let's see, the next stock is Motherson. So this is also into the auto sector and making auto ancillary parts of the vehicles. So you can see, friend, here I would consider this as the major support level over here, that is 200 levels. You can consider this as a 200 level as a base. It recently came it over here, and we had already suggested this is the base of the Motherson. And let's see how there is one more big resistance over here. You can see this resistance. Stock has been correcting while touching these levels. You can see this. So these levels are somewhat around 243 to 242 levels. So now stock has already closed around 233 levels. So we are expecting it to cross around 240 levels very soon, and the major resistance is 260 levels, friends. This is the major resistance level. I am not considering this as a major support, sorry, major resistance. You can see here it has already came over here also quite long back. You can see this level over here. I'll draw a straight line over here and try to explain you in the weekly chart that what how things were happened. You can see here, friends, it had a major resistance in 2017. It had fallen from this level and never tried to close above it. Friends, same thing is happening over here also. See, friends, again it came to that level and never ever closed above 260 plus levels, and again it had a fall, and now again it is in the same range and now trying to give a breakout. Friends, I am at least expecting Motherson to cross 240 to 250 levels very soon. We will we will initiate a new trade only when it closes above 260 levels, friends. So this was the basic funda or the basic thing I would like to tell about the two best auto sector stocks, that is Tata Motors and Motherson. We'll come up with the next learning video where we'll show you how resistance and supports are going to play a major role. So friends, this is the basic thing we are starting with. We will go with the advanced learning videos also for you. If you want to subscribe and if you're not yet subscribed, then please subscribe our Wealth Creators. Thank you friends for watching this video.